Hey there, and welcome back to the Daily Past. Today we've got some pretty mind-blowing news coming out of China. News that could seriously change the future of solar energy as we know it. Now, you might have heard about China's massive plans to build the world's largest dam on the Brahmaputra River. But that's not all they've got up their sleeve. No, today we're talking about China's new and huge ambitious project to harness solar power, and it could potentially revolutionize energy production on a global scale. So imagine this. Picture it in your mind. A solar array, 1 kilometer wide, placed in orbit, 36,000 kilometers above the Earth. Yeah, you heard that right, in orbit. This solar array, hovering in geostationary orbit, could collect solar energy non-stop, totally uninterrupted by, the whole day-night cycle or weather conditions. It's like the sun shining on it all the time. Kind of a dream come true for solar power, don't you think? So why is this a big deal? Well, according to Long Lehao, one of China's leading rocket scientists, this project is being hailed as, well, a space-age version of the famous Three Gorges Dam. Now, you probably know the Three Gorges Dam, right? Built on China's Yangtze River, it's the largest hydroelectric power station in the world. But the space project is said to have the same energy potential. Long has even gone as far as to call it the Three Gorges Dam in space. Which, honestly, sounds kinda sci-fi, but it's real, folks. Really real. Now, for a bit of perspective, let's talk numbers. The Three Gorges Dam currently produces about 100 billion kilowatt-hours of electricity every year. A whole lot of power, right? But Long says this new solar power project, if successful, could generate even more. In fact, he claims that the energy collected in just 1 year from this space-based array would be equivalent to the total amount of oil that can be extracted from the entire planet. Yeah, that's a lot of energy. It's kind of hard to even wrap your head around. But it could be a game changer for the world's energy needs. Now, of course, something this massive is going to require some serious tech. To pull this off, China will need to develop some huge rockets like super heavy lift rockets. And it looks like the Long March 9, a rocket being developed by Mr. Long's team, could be the key to getting this space-based solar array into orbit. This thing is like seriously big, over 110 meters tall. That's nearly twice the size of the Long March-5 rocket, which is about 50 meters tall. And the Long March-9 isn't just big for the sake of being big. No, it's built to carry up to 150 tons into low Earth orbit. That's way more than NASA's Saturn V and Space Launch System rockets, which can only carry about 130 tons. So yeah, we're talking some serious muscle here. So if you're thinking this all sounds a little out there like something straight out of a science fiction novel, you wouldn't be alone. But believe it or not, this isn't the first time we've heard about space-based solar power. In fact, this kind of project has been referred to internationally as the Manhattan Project of the energy sector. Basically, it's like the next frontier in solar energy, and if it works, it could completely transform the way we think about power generation. Now, keep in mind, this isn't something that's going to happen overnight. There are still a ton of challenges ahead. Developing the technology, building these massive rockets, and actually getting this solar array into space will require massive leaps in China's space capabilities over the next few years. But still, if this concept becomes a reality, well, it could change the entire global energy landscape. And we'll definitely be keeping an eye on this one, so stay tuned for updates. If you're excited about the potential of this, or just want to chat about the possibilities, drop a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss any of the latest updates. Until next time, stay curious, stay informed, and keep exploring the world with us.